Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps work? What magic is at play when you swipe right on a dating app or when you order that late-night pizza using a food delivery app? Well, the answer lies in the world of coding, a fascinating universe where creativity meets logic. Imagine being able to build your own app, your own website, or even your own game. Sounds exciting, right? This is possible through coding. Now, you might think, isn't coding complicated? It might seem so, but once you get the hang of it, it's like learning a new language. Coding, at its most basic level, is a way for us to communicate with computers. We give them instructions, and they follow them to the letter. It's like cooking, but instead of following a recipe, you're following a set of instructions to create a program. The first step in coding is choosing a programming language. Just like how different recipes call for different ingredients, different projects call for different coding languages. Some popular languages include Python, known for its simplicity, JavaScript used for web development, and C++ used in game development. Once you've chosen your language, it's time to start coding. This involves writing lines of code, which are instructions for the computer. These lines of code come together to form a program, much like how ingredients come together to form a dish. Remember, coding requires a lot of trial and error. Don't be disheartened if your code doesn't work the first time. Even experienced coders spend a lot of time debugging, which is the process of finding and fixing errors in code. Output. Now you might be wondering, how do I know if my code is right? Well, that's where testing comes in. Just like how you'd taste a dish to see if it needs more seasoning, you test your code to see if it works as it should. If it doesn't, you go back, debug, and try again. In conclusion, coding is a process that involves choosing a programming language, writing lines of code, debugging, and testing. It might seem daunting, but with practice and patience, you can create your own programs and apps. Remember, every app you use, every website you visit, and every game you play was built through coding. And the beauty of it is that you too can learn to do it. All it takes is a bit of curiosity, a dash of patience, and a sprinkle of creativity. So the next time you use your favorite app, take a moment to appreciate the code that makes it work. And who knows, maybe one day someone will be using an app that you coded. Now, wouldn't that be something?